Everyone is obsessing over 𝗕𝗿𝗧𝗛 right now, and it's driving me crazy because in my opinion, they're all using it wrong. And I get it, the videos look cool and everything, but I found an even simpler and, in my opinion, smarter way to use 𝗕𝗿𝗧𝗛 that can actually make you money online. And I don't really hear anyone else talking about it. Let me show you what I mean. The other day, as I was researching new online business ideas, I came across this print-on-demand product. It's a simple design and I almost scrolled past it when I noticed this. Look at the total revenue this one sweater has made its seller. This really got my attention. But you're probably thinking, what the heck does this have to do with 𝗕𝗿𝗧𝗛? Well, while everyone is wasting their time trying to create these crazy AI videos with no idea how to monetize them, I've been using 𝗕𝗿𝗧𝗛 in a very simple way to help me create print-on-demand designs like this. And when you combine these 𝗕𝗿𝗧𝗛 designs with a simple AI website builder like 𝗪𝗪, you can literally build a new print-on-demand business in less than 24 hours without needing complicated prompts or knowing how to code. So in this video, I'm gonna break down the simple 3-step process to do this. It takes less than 15 minutes, and if by the end of the video you like what you see, you can copy the steps for yourself. But before I show you the first step, I want to say a quick thanks to 𝗪𝗪 for sponsoring this video. And also a quick disclaimer, this video is not financial advice, and I'm not promising any specific results just from watching it. The example results I show are just that, examples, and are not guaranteed. Every online business takes effort, and it's completely up to you to decide if it's right for you. This video is just me sharing what I've learned from my own experience for inspiration and hoping it helps you skip some of the mistakes I made when I was first starting. So if we're all okay with that, let me show you step number 1. So quickly, here's exactly what I'm going to cover in this tutorial. How to use 𝗕𝗿𝗧𝗛 to create the best print-on-demand designs in just a few minutes. Then how to use 𝗪𝗪 AI website builder instead of Etsy to create an online store quickly without any coding experience so that you can avoid paying the high Etsy transaction fees and listing fees. And last, how to connect your AI website to a print-on-demand supplier so that the whole process of creating and shipping your products is completely automated for you. I also created a PDF to go along with this tutorial that lists all of the steps, prompts, and apps I'm going to show you in this video. You can get a copy of it down below or in the pinned comment. Okay, so now that you know what I'll be showing you, the first step is to create our print-on-demand designs with 𝗕𝗿𝗧𝗛. To do that, first, you need to access 𝗕𝗿𝗧𝗛. The easiest way to do that is through an AI app called 𝗕𝗿𝗪𝗛. 𝗕𝗿𝗪𝗛 is an app that gives you access to almost every AI model out there right now, including 𝗕𝗿𝗛. Once you're inside 𝗕𝗿𝗪𝗛, you're going to click on the new chat icon here to open a new chat. Then you want to come up here to the top menu and select Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is the real name for 𝗕𝗿𝗪𝗛, by the way. 𝗕𝗿𝗪𝗛 is just a nickname some tech bro made up for it. Why? I have no idea, but honestly, it doesn't really matter. From here, you want to upload a winning design that you found through your own research that you want to recreate. And I say winning design because it's always best to create something that you know people are already interested in buying. But you can use whichever image you want to recreate. I'm going to use the example I showed you earlier, but you should do your own research to find designs in whichever niche you want to create your print-on-demand store around. If you're not sure which niche you want to pick, you can ask AI to give you some ideas. Once you've uploaded your example design, the next thing you need to do is ask 𝗕𝗿𝗪𝗛 to review the image and create a detailed AI image generation prompt for it. Why you're doing this is because you never want to copy another person's design exactly, because that could get you in some major copyright trouble. Here you can see the prompt I used to get 𝗕𝗿𝗪𝗛 to create my prompt for me. And when I hit submit, it creates a detailed prompt that I can now use to create a similar style image without copying the original design. Once you have your prompt, all you have to do is copy it, open a new chat, and paste it into the chat, making sure you have the create image option turned on. Once you do that, hit submit, and in a few seconds, 𝗕𝗿𝗪𝗛 will create a completely unique print-on-demand design for you, but in a similar style to the winning design you found. And I know by now I should be used to seeing what AI can do, but it still surprises me how quickly it can do tasks that would have taken me or a designer days to do without AI. Now, once you have your first design created, save it to your laptop and then create a few more designs within the same niche so that you have more than just one to upload into your print-on-demand store in the next step. Here you can see some of the other designs that I created using 𝗕𝗿𝗪𝗛, sticking with the same cozy autumn book lovers theme. Once you have all of your designs created, we can move on to the next step, which is to create our online store where you're going to sell your print-on-demand products. Now, most print-on-demand tutorials show you how to sell your products on Etsy, but I don't actually believe that that's the best place to sell your print-on-demand products, because what most people don't tell you is that Etsy actually has some pretty high transaction fees that they charge you for every single sale that you get. Plus, they charge a listing fee for every product that you have in your shop. They also have pretty strict rules on what you can and can't sell, and can remove your store at any time, leaving you with nothing. So a safer way to create your print-on-demand shop is by creating your own website. But don't worry if you're thinking this sounds really complicated to do, because like I said earlier, we're going to use Hostinger's AI website builder to create our online store for us. And one of the great things about Hostinger is that they now have a new print-on-demand integration with Printful that makes setting up your new print-on-demand shop even easier. It really only takes a few minutes to set up, even if you've never created a website before. Let me show you how it works. First, go to the Hostinger print-on-demand website. I added my personal affiliate link below the video to make it easier for you. It doesn't cost you anything extra to use my link, but it does help support my channel, so I really appreciate it if you do. To create your Hostinger account, click on the Get Started button. This will take you to the pricing section where you can see everything you get with your Hostinger business account, including some of my favorites, which are 0% transaction fees, unlike Etsy, which charges 6.5%. You also get access to the AI website builder, which I'm gonna show you how to use in just a sec, as well as all these other AI tools. And another new feature that I love is the ability to send marketing emails right from your Hostinger account. And you can see the price of using Hostinger, which is less than any other website builder or hosting site I've personally tried. It literally costs less than buying just one coffee every month. But to continue creating your Hostinger account, click on the Add to Cart button for the business plan. And you can see when you choose a 48-month term, you also get 2 months free plus a free domain. But here on the checkout page, you can see there are other timeframes you can pick. But the 48-month plan is the only one that gives you a free domain and 2 months free. And because Hostinger is sponsoring this video, they were nice enough to give my viewers a discount code to get an extra 10% off. Now, the last thing you need to do to create your Hostinger account is to hit continue and complete the checkout process. Then you'll be taken to your Hostinger dashboard that looks like this. To create your online store using the AI website builder, click on websites in the left menu, click the Add Website button, and then select the AI website builder option. That will bring you to this screen where all you need to do to create your website is add your brand name. If you're not sure what to choose for your brand name, you can use AI to help you come up with one. And then type a brief description or prompt of what you want your website or store to look like. I like to include the niche, the overall style, and types of images I want to have on my website. You can pause the video here if you want to copy my prompt. I also include it in the PDF that goes along with this video if you want to copy and paste it instead of pausing the video and typing it out yourself. And before you hit submit, make sure you have this option selected so that Hostinger AI knows to create an online store for you and not just a basic website. Then you can hit submit and Hostinger AI website builder will get to work. And in just a minute or two, you'll see a preview of what your website will look like. Here is also where you can choose a different color scheme for your website if you want, but I like the one it chose for me, so I'm just gonna leave it. Next, click on this button to continue, and that will bring you to this section. Now, if you're wondering why you can't see your website yet, that's because before you can customize your store, first you need to add the print-on-demand integration so you can add and sell your products. And like I said earlier in the video, Hostinger recently added their new Printful integration, which allows you to automatically add and sell print-on-demand products created through Printful. And it automatically adds those designs directly to your Hostinger store. To add print-on-demand to your Hostinger store and create your products, click on the integrations options in the left menu. Then click on the create and sell custom products option. Next, follow the instructions to add or create your Printful account. I already have one, so I'm just gonna log in. Once you've connected your Printful account, next you need to create your first product using the design you created with 𝗕𝗿. To do that, click on this button here. Then select whatever product you want to customize from Printful's catalog. I'm choosing a sweatshirt to match the winning design that I showed you earlier. Then from this screen, choose the colors you want to offer to your customers, as well as the sizes. Then upload your 𝗕𝗿 design by clicking the upload button and select your design. When you do that, it will automatically be added to the product mockup, where you can see exactly what it will look like once it's printed. You can also move and resize the image in any way that you like. And once you're happy with it, click this button here to continue. On this screen, you'll have to select the mockup that you want to use, as well as enter a product title. And the last thing you need to do is update pricing. And here you can see exactly how much you'll make from every single sale. Once you've updated the pricing, click the Save Product button, and the product will automatically be published to your Hlastinger website. Once you've done that, come back to your Hlastinger account and continue on with this checklist. I'm not going to go through these parts specifically because it includes your specific details, but make sure you update the billing and payment options so that you can pay for your product orders and also get paid every time somebody buys one of your products. Once you've completed the settings on this page, the last thing you need to do is customize your website by clicking the Edit Website button right here. That will take you to the Hlastinger website editor, and you can see the website that Hlastinger AI created for you. It includes all of the sections you need for an online store, including product pages and checkout pages. But don't worry if the images or text that you see isn't exactly what you want, because Hlastinger's website editor is really simple to use because everything is just drag and drop. You can drag anything on the page to a different location, add images, or change text. And everything is mobile friendly too, which is really important because pretty much everyone just shops on their phones now anyways. Here you can see a sped up version of me editing my website. In real time, it took me less than 10 minutes to do all of this, but I sped it up so this video doesn't get too long. And here you can see my finished print-on-demand store, with cute images that match my niche, all of my products added to the shop through Printful, and every time somebody purchases one of my products, it's automatically sent to Printful, where they will create and ship the product to my customers for me. I don't have to do any of that myself. The last thing you need to do is click this Go Live button, which will publish your store online so that people can actually find it. And if you haven't selected your free custom domain yet, now is where you can do that. And once your store is live, that's the last step of this tutorial. But you can't just sit around waiting for people to find your products. With print on demand, although everything is pretty much done automatically for you, you still need to get the word out about your products or nobody will know they exist. One of the easiest ways to do that, especially if this is your first time creating a website, is to promote your products on social media. You can do that by creating a faceless account, or you can create a branded account and use AI to create mock-ups and images sharing your products. And with all the AI tools out there, there's really endless ways that you can share your products with your audience. If you want to learn more about how to market your print-on-demand website with social media and AI, let me know down in the comments, and if enough people are interested, I'll create a full tutorial on it.